How to find and use filters on TikTok. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your TikTok application and after that tap on the plus icon. And all your filters will be in the left hand side of the camera shutter option. Tap on it and then you can find several categories of the filters, but if you want to search specific filters, simply tap on this magnifying glass and search for the filter and you will be able to use that. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.